Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series on arithmetic sequence, no? And pang-anim na problem na tayo dito sa ating series. And dito isosolve natin yung another arithmetic sequence problem. So, let's start. What is the arithmetic sequence whose fifth term is 39 and whose 14th term is 93? So, from the previous videos, pang-pito na yata itong video na ito. So, siguro alam niyo na yung formula, no? Nakakabisado niyo na. We have t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. No? Yung ating formula where t sub n is the nth term, no? Ang t sub 1 natin ay first term ng sequence, no? Of course, we are talking about the sequence. Ang n natin ay number of terms. And our d is the constant difference. So, medyo kakaiba tong problem na to, no? So, ang given dito ay 14th term tsaka 5th term, no? So, ibig sabihin, given natin yung 14th term, we have, for example, t sub 14 is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1. Anong n natin? Ang n natin dito, 14, di ba? 14 din dito. 14 minus 1 times t. No? So, still, this comes from this formula, no? So, t sub n equals t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. Yan pa rin siya nanggaling. So, ang given lang dito is t sub 14, t sub 1 plus 14 minus 1 times t. Ang n natin ay 14, so dapat yung n natin dito ay 14 din. So, wala tayong given na constant difference, no? Ang given na natin is t sub 14, which is 93. So, 93 equals, wala rin tayong t sub 1 plus, this is 13d, no? And yung isa naman natin, ang fifth term natin, of course, ay t sub 5, which is equal to t sub 1 plus 5 minus 1. Again, 5. This is n, times t. No? And we know that t sub 5 here is 39. So, 39 equals t sub 1 plus 4d. No? Okay, so, those are the two equations. So, kung napanood niyo yung series natin on systems of linear equation, dito nyo na yun ma-apply. No? So, dito gagamit tayo ng systems of linear equation. Mag-eliminate tayo ng isang variable. No? So, anong pwede nating tanggalin? Of course, pwede nating tanggalin yung d, but still, it's better to eliminate yung t sub 1 kasi magma-minus lang tayo, no? Para matanggal siya. Yung d, medyo mahirap siya, magmumultiply pa tayo. So, notice that if we subtract, no? If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, equation 1 minus equation 2, if we subtract here, pag nag-minus tayo, what happens? So, 93 minus 49. 93 minus 39, this is 4, no? And this is 8 minus 3. This becomes 54 equals t sub 1 minus t sub 1 is 0. No? And then 13 minus 4 is ilan? 90. No? Which means that t is, baliktarin na lang natin. Which means that d is 54 over 9. Which means that d is equal to 6. So, ang common difference natin ay 6. Constant difference. No? Lagi ako nagkakamali dito. This is constant difference, not common difference. So, constant difference is 6. Okay? And pag nakuha na natin yung d dito, pwede natin kunin yung t sub 1 by substituting to one of these equations. Siguro mas madali ito kasi mas maliit yung number. No? So, 39, substituting in 2, have 39 plus t sub 1, 39 equals t sub 1 plus 40, and 39 equals t sub 1 plus 4, t is 6, so 4 times 6, and 39 equals t sub 1 plus 24, and then we subtract 24 from both sides. We have t sub 1 equals 39 minus 24, which means that t sub 1 equals 15. No? Okay? So, pag nakuha mo na yung t sub 1, saka meron ka ng d, alam mo na yung arithmetic sequence, no? Kasi kailangan mo na naman isang term, yung unang term, and then. Okay? So, ang t sub 1 natin ay 15, no? T sub 1 is equal to 15, and our t is 6. So, pag nakuha mo na to, syempre, 15 plus 6, 21, plus 6, 27, plus 6, 33, plus 6, 39, and so on. So, kita nyo na fifth term is indeed 39, yung t sub 5 natin. And of course, pag itutuloy nyo pa yan, makikita nyo that the 14th term is 93. No? Siguro check na lang natin para sure. No? 14 lang naman yun. So, plus 6, this is 45, plus 6, 51, plus 6, 57, plus 6, 63, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is plus 6, 69. This is already t sub 10, so apat na lang. Plus 6 is 75, plus 6 is 81. I hope we're correct. Plus 6 is 87, and plus 6 is 93. So this is t sub 14, which is, yeah, na-confirm natin siya. So actually, ang pinakasagot natin is ito, yung arithmetic sequence. Of course, you just have to write a few numbers. Siguro 4 pwede na. Actually, 2 pwede na kasi automatic naman ang constant difference, no? And in fact, kahit isa lang, basta given yung constant difference. But we can write a few terms, siguro mga 4 or 5 terms. That's our answer, no? Okay? And in fact, we can just answer this. Pwede na sabihin na the answer to this is an arithmetic sequence whose first term is 15 and whose constant difference is 6. Actually, tama na yun, no? But of course, we can write the terms. Okay, so maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung imbitahan sa siplayan.com, and of course, kung gusto nyo mag-subscribe sa ating channel, just click the subscribe button. Maraming salamat, and see you in the next tutorial.